Hey guys, Lino here, VanCityTrader.com. Just wanted to show you a short that I got into here where about 12:23, 12:30 West Coast time, coming into the close. This thing has been consolidating all day. You can see I took a couple trades in here, and it's been consolidating all day. We had this drop that I missed. I was trading crude at the moment. I got in up here on this one. So I'm looking to take this down. If it breaks, it should run for 2, 3, 4 plus points, and that's kind of the idea. I only got a 3-tick risk on it, but we're going to see if we can take this thing down. I'll pause the video for now, and we'll get back to you. I'm hoping the momentum of the close can get some of these sellers into the market and start to run this thing. And I'll show you the rest of my day. I took a lot of trades today. I kind of over traded, but stayed patient throughout the lunch hour, the US lunch hour. Came back to the computer, and crude had a big tumble today, and I took advantage of it. But let's finish this video, and I will get back to how the rest of my day looked and see if we can get this trade all the way down. Thanks guys, I'll be back. Alright, we're starting to move here. We broke low. These are kind of the targets that I'm looking to get to here. We can move our risk to break even, and let's see if we can take this thing lower and how far she wants to go. There's about just over 30 minutes left in the session here before the market closes, but we're going to try to take this thing as low as possible. 3 points is plenty, but we're going to keep trailing our stop here and see what we can do. I'll pause the video, and we'll get back here. Still moving pretty good here. Let's see if everything else has gone negative on the day except for the NQ, which is probably going negative pretty quick here. It's a good indication this thing might keep going down. If not, we'll just lock in our profits and take it from there. Pause the video, get back to you guys. Thanks. Alright guys, so I got stopped out right at, I had my stop right here. Let me show you. I had my stop here, took it down. I think it was 3 point something or 29 ticks or in that range, but it still looks pretty bearish to me. It still looks like it wants to come down, so I'm going to try to take it off of my area here. I have an order. I want to see if it'll trigger me back into the downside, and see if I can take this thing short even more, about 20, 30 minutes, see if we can get some volatility here at the close and get this thing down. But we'll see. I'm willing to risk 7 or 8 ticks on it. Only one contract. We're up for the day, you can see here, and we're going to see if we can get this thing continuing lower. There's the order. Let's see if it comes back and takes me out. If it does, probably be done for the day. And it might just take me out. Might have got in a little too early. Just one tick away there. Still could pivot down. Might be something to look at. I'll pause it and let you know if I have another decision here. Alright guys, I did decide to take it again, even though I got stopped out. It's the end of the day. It's going to get choppy here, but it's okay. I'm up for the day, and we got some momentum down. This thing seems to be moving pretty quick, so we are going to see if we can take this down and get another target. One last trade. Maybe it could be a nice one. I'll keep the video going so you guys can watch what's happening here. You can see it's moving, starting to move pretty quick, and you got to be real careful at the end of the day. It starts moving pretty good here. So let's see what we can do. 14 ticks in the plus here. Might start moving my wrist down, and I'll be back. Alright guys, that's it for me. I you know, these end of the day trades, let me show you. These end of the day trades, you know, I got in a couple times. I wanted to, this thing could have just ran just as easily. I was probably up 13 or 14 ticks at this point. I moved my stop to break even +1, so I didn't lose anything on the trade, but you can see this, it might hold this trend line here and continue down, but honestly it doesn't matter. $1,170 on the day, good enough for me. You know, I took too many trades today, but I was patient through the second half of the day, and crude oil really moved very well on the second half. You can see it just tanked, and from here is where I made up my day and got short here. I held this, got short here, and held it all the way down for another 40 ticks or so, and that was the end of the pit. And you can see I ended up with $1,170. Guys, check out the blog, www.vancitytrader.com. I have my website on there. You'll learn more about the mentorship program, training, and or send me an email, support@vancitytrader. Oh, that doesn't work. Let me fix that. support@vancitytrader.com, and I'll shoot you over my Skype. We can have a chat. You can ask me any questions you like, and you know, the markets are great this time of year. You know, there's a lot of stuff going on, as you probably know, in the United States, and it's a great time to trade. So give me a shout, guys, and we'll talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.